Drinking buddies, childhood playmates, school friends, and coworkers. Anybody in this world can be considered a type of friend. Typically, we think of friends as people we eat with or hang out with. Friendships are never just given, they are earned through effort. Just because someone was a friend back in school doesn't mean they are still your friend now. Likewise, a colleague you work with isn't automatically your friend. Moreover, we can only truly identify friendship when we reach our 50s. Why? Because people are focused on striving towards something in their life until they reach their 50s. At the end of that effort, you need to ask yourself, did I manage to make real friends? Some might say I have a lot of friends, but you need to discern this properly. True friendship occurs when we share words that improve each other's lives. If my words don't resonate and are not received well, it means our paths are not aligned, and it's time to part ways or face hardship. It is not about just giving money, sharing time, or doing things for the other person. True friendship fosters growth.